Preserving green beans is one of the easiest projects that you can do in canning and preserving. You basically break off the tails. Sometimes you can break them off in the middle, depending how large you want the pieces to be. You might find a small knife useful. And after you're done with these, you basically boil them in salt water. If you want them extra crisp, you may prepare the water, get it to boiling point, and then blanch the green beans. And that is actually what we're going to do. So we need some water, we need some salt according to taste, and we will put that to boil, and when it's boiling we will blanch the green beans. Blanching means dipping them into water for a short time. Since actually they are going to be with the water in the jar, we're going to get them together, but if you're preparing this to eat directly, then you just get the green beans out of the water. We have our water with salt that was boiling. We put our green beans into water. Make sure that the water covers the green beans completely, and we get it back over the stove pot so it will get back to boiling point.